In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify for clothing brand. Whether you're starting from scratch or expanding your merch line, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can move confidently from idea to a professional-looking product. First, create your Printify account. Head to the Printify website and click Sign Up. Use a reliable email and set a secure password, then check your inbox to verify the account. That quick confirmation opens the door to your Printify dashboard, which is your home base. From here, you'll manage products, designs, and providers, so take a second to notice the layout. It's designed to guide you step by step. Next, choose your clothing products. Click on Catalog, then select Apparel. You'll see a wide range of options like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and tank tops. As you browse, pay attention to details such as available sizes, fabric blends, color options, and the estimated production time. Now pick a print provider. Printify connects you with many global providers who actually produce and ship the clothing on your behalf. Compare their ratings, print areas, and shipping locations. A provider closer to your customers often means faster delivery and potentially lower shipping costs, while higher-rated providers may offer more consistent print quality. Think about your audience and your brand standards as you decide. When you've selected a product and provider, it's time to create your clothing design. Click. Start designing on the product page. Upload your artwork in PNG or JPG format. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background is usually best for crisp, clean edges, especially on t-shirts and hoodies. Inside the editor, adjust the size and position of your design and make sure it stays within the safe print area to avoid trimming or distortion. If color options are available, test your design on light and dark garments to check contrast and readability. You can tweak placement to align with your brand's style, whether that's a centered front print, a smaller chest logo, or a bold back design, always respecting the template guidelines. Use the mockup preview to see how your product will look in real life. This is where you catch issues like tiny text, low contrast colors, or an image stretched beyond its recommended size. If you need to refine the graphic, tools like Canva or Photoshop are perfect for preparing clean, brand-ready files at the right resolution. And that's it. With your account set up, your products selected, and your design placed and previewed, you have everything you need to move forward with your clothing brand on Printify.